Hello, what's up, guys? Today we are going to develop a new Android dashboard modern UI. So first you can go to the files menu and new project. Here you can see few templates available. You should choose empty activity and click on next. Here you can give any name to the project name and select Java, and the API level you can choose any API level and click on finish. Okay, this is my first main activity. Okay, you can divide your screen like this: coding part and design part. First step is you should get scroll screen, because we are going to add a menu to use up and go up and down. So select scroll view, and this text view we should delete. In here we are going to add a dashboard name and icon. First step is get a linear layout, match parent and match parent. Orientation should be vertical. Okay, next thing is we should get a relay layout, parent and wrapper. Okay, margin top is we should get 32 dp. Here you can see change is available now. And next thing is margin left, 20 dp, and you can get dp osp whatever, it's right. Margin right, 20 dp. Okay, next thing is we should close this one. Here you can get a new text view. Here text view is wrap content, and text view IDs txt dashboard, text size should be 20 dp, color white, the text is dashboard, you can give any name. Okay, so you can't see in here because the background is white color, so I'm get a new background for that. This one I create this one using the Adobe XD. You can use and create this one using Adobe XD. Copy this one and go to the resources and drawable and right click here. You can see paste and upper folder can paste, and here background is drawable back. Here now you can see dashboard. And next thing is we should implement new image view for the icon. In that case we can get image view. In this image view we can use like this, the size and source. Our source is not available, so I have a few icons in here. These icons you can download in the description. I will add the link to download these icons. This icon I can copy and paste on drawable folder here. Okay. In this image we should add to here. So in this case we can get a line right, align present, parent, align parent, right should true. You can see it's moved now, and we can close this image view. Okay, next thing is we should get grid layout. In here we can get match parent and wrap content. Here row count should be 3, and another thing is column count should be 2, and layout width, layout width. Okay, we have Gradle here, Gradle my app. Here I implement this card view, copy and paste. You can see in here small icon, click on it and click on the sync now. Okay, it's finished. This one should be match parent, and this one should be wrap content. Okay, and row count and column over present should be false. and here align mode should be align margins. So okay, now in here in the grid layout we should get our new card view, this one, card view, and here we can add our layout. Which should be wrap content. Here should be wrap content. Column, we should add column weight, it should be 1. And next thing is layout row weight should be 1. And next thing is card evaluation, it's going on app card evaluation, it should be 6 dp, or you can change it because the card view size, you can change any card view size. I will get a rounded corner, so I select this one, corner radius and 12 dp. okay, and next thing is layout margin, this one should be 12 dp. okay, we should get another linear layout, this one should be match parent, and id, we don't need id in this case. Orientation vertical and padding 60 dp. Here you can see now the lineup is showing, and gravity center, okay, match parent, gravity is center. In here I'm getting a new image view, $80. You can change this size as you wish. $3. Here we can see the card view change the size, and I can add another icon, this one, copy and paste to the drawable folder. Okay, this source should be idea. Okay, and I close this image view, and I get a text view because we should add name to the icon. In here text view, this one should be wrap content and this one should be wrap content, and margin top, because second text view and this margin top get for text view and image view should be get small distance, otherwise it's going on one by one. 12 dp, you can add this distance as you wish. Text color, I'm get color to black, this hexadecimal, and text is idea, and close this text view. And next thing is we should get a image view. Sorry, here we have that now colors and ideas, text view and image view. We have here linear layout is closed, and here okay, we can copy this one and paste to here. Here we can see icons and two card views show in here. This is not card views, so linear layouts, and I can again paste again 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 again. You can change these icons here. You can add another icon as lion. Okay, copy and paste in here drawable folder. Okay, here we can change this one here, lion, and this name is lion. Okay, now we can run it. In the scroll view we can go up and down this in this menu bar. Okay, I will show you how it's work. Okay, it's installing now. Okay, app is successful finish. Here we can see our dashboard and these icons. Here we can go up and down because of scroll view. Here we can see scroll view. In this scroll view helps to go up and down. Okay, thanks for watching. Subscribe on our channel. Stay sharp with programming. Have a nice day.